Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Swati here, and in today's video I'm gonna show all the latest releases from Beyond Inks brand. The first one is an A4 size notepad and has 50 UPO papers. Thickness of these papers is 150 microns. This is great to make artworks, journaling, practicing and putting all your ideas on a paper. Second one is the art book. This is a smaller sized book and it is made of synthetic paper. It has 25 thick white synthetic sheets and 5 black sheets. So you can use white, Petri inks and other inks also in this. The third product is a black synthetic sheet bundle. These are circle in shape and come in a pack of 10. The thickness of these is 400 microns. If you like making artworks in various shapes and sizes, this is a perfect canvas for you to try. Another great and very versatile product launched by Beyond Inks are these transparent DIY acrylic surfaces. These come in hexagon, square, circle and bookmark shapes. I have even used them to make the front of a scrapbook. You can check out my Instagram Hues of Memories for more details on that product. These can be used for alcohol ink painting, resin pour, acrylic pour, doodling, etc. etc. Now, the most amazing launch are the new shades of alcohol inks. Beyond Inks recently launched 9 new alcohol ink colors and you should definitely check them out. The packaging is utmost beautiful and I loved how these colors work together very well with the previous colors as well as together. These come in two quantities, 20 ml and 10 ml. You can buy this whole pack that has 10 ml individual bottles with one metallic shade as well, that is gold here. Or you can buy big bottles of 20 ml each. Now let's swatch these inks and have a quick look. I'll leave you to some music and fasten the video so that you do not get bored, and let me see how these inks actually look on the paper. I'm using the new shades and I'm also using the Beyond Inks cleanup solution that is 99% isopropyl alcohol to get various shades of the same color. Look at all these 9 gorgeous shades. I absolutely love how these will combine together. Now let's quickly make a bookmark out of synthetic paper here. I'm using Beyond Ink synthetic paper bookmark and a foam brush to which I'm adding azure, grey and plum colors, a few drops of these colors and a few sprinkle of the 100% isopropyl alcohol. Just trying to build up some vertical lines and patterns using this simple technique and let the colors merge together. After it has dried completely, I'll just mark the edges and try to give this bookmark a shape. I will also make a hole to thread my twine via this bookmark. Now either you can write on this or you can stamp on it. I am doing stamping as I love stamping anyways. I am using Mudra stamp here and I'm using some waterproof ink. I'm using archival ink here to stamp my sentiment on this bookmark, and I'm using my Misty tool as it makes my work so much easier. Now I'm sprinkling and splattering some isopropyl alcohol for that wispy effect, and look how beautiful it looks. If you wish to purchase any of the supplies from Beyond Inks website, do use my coupon code and get 5% additional discount. Do like and share this video if you have loved it. Also subscribe to my channel for more crafty tutorials. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.